Stop creating your film look the wrong way. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create your film look in 30 minutes using the correct node pipeline right in DaVinci Resolve. So stick to the end of this video. And for this tutorial, I'll be using the Blackmagic Raw footage for the illustration. After importing your footage into DaVinci Resolve, click on this icon and set your color management to this. Mark users, set your output color space to this. Create 4 nodes for a start. This will initiate your node pipeline. And for color correction purpose, set your white balance on the first node and correct your footage properly. Go to your second node and add a color space transform. In this step, we are sending our footage to the Resolve largest color space to avoid our highlights from clipping and our colors from falling apart. Convert your footage from Blackmagic Raw to DaVinci Intermediate. If a new color is starting up, make sure you send your footage to the color space because it gives you a wider approach to merge colors and prevents your footage from breaking off in its shadows and highlights. Now go to your third node and add a new color space transform. In this step, we are sending our footage to a cinema industry look. Now after adding a new color space, set your output color space to SSAP1 and set your output gamma to linear. I'm trying to take my time so you get every bit of it so you don't miss out on any part of it. So these are the settings for the third node. Now let's head over to the fourth node. Now add your ACS transform. Now set your output transform to ADS10 CSC. We're actually turning our footage to react like an actual film stock. Now input a new node, and this node will be our LUT node. Now let's label our nodes to be organized. The first one is our white balance node. This is our CST1. And the next will be our CST2. The following will be the CST3, and of course the last node here in this pipeline will be our LUT node. Select any LUT of your choice, right click and go to LUT, then film look and select any look of your choice. Select the last 4 nodes, right click and click on compound node. Impute a new node in between these 2 nodes and adjust your primary settings, your shadows and highlights to balance your footage to your liking. Now your film look is ready. Now you can make any further adjustment based on your preference. If this video was helpful to you, please kindly subscribe to my channel because I bring videos like this to you so you don't miss out on any of them. See you on a different one.